Start.
Okay. So today we will do functional group in carbon chapter, that is carbon and its compounds. We will do functional group. What are functional groups, children? These are group of atoms which when attach or substitute hydrogen atoms in the chain of hydrocarbons, they change their functional completely, right? For example, the chloro or bromo, which are known as halo, and they are attached as prefix to an alkane. Chloro is the prefix, bromo is the prefix. So suppose I have alkane, that is CH4, right? So what is this? CH4 is CH4
Methane.
is methane. If I
Methane.
remove one hydrogen atom from it and replace it by the chlorine, it becomes chloromethane. It becomes chloromethane, right?
Methane.
Similarly, in ethane, if I replace one hydrogen atom and it becomes C2H5, and bromine, suppose I attach with it, then it becomes bromoethane. Similarly, C3H8, what is this? C3H8, what is this?
Propane.
Propane. Very good. Propane.
Propane.
So if I
Propane.
remove one hydrogen from it, it becomes C3H7, and this C3H7, one hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, so it is called chloropropane, right? Clear? So what do you think, when hydrogen atoms are being replaced in these group of alkanes, that is methane, ethane, propane, they are becoming new compound. So are the properties of these chloroalkanes, which are known as chloroalkanes, will be same as the alkanes?
No, ma'am.
The properties will
No,
completely
ma'am.
change. Very good. Very good. So that's why they are known as functional groups, right? Now they are also known as heteroatom. Why they are known as heteroatom? Because they are replacing hydrogen atom from the hydrocarbon chain of the alkanes, right? So they are also known as heteroatom. The next heteroatom is oxygen. This oxygen replaces one hydrogen atom or more hydrogen atoms from the chain of hydrocarbons, alkanes, and then forms the four types of functional group, that is alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid. Alcohol are represented by symbol OH, right? Suppose in methane, again one hydrogen is replaced, that is it is removed and OH atom takes its place. Then it becomes CH3OH. What will be the name? Methanol.
Methanol.
So the properties will completely change. Yes or no? Properties will be completely changed, right? How to name these functional groups we will do in the separate table form, right? Here I am giving one example of each. Aldehyde. If aldehyde is attached, the formula is CHO, right? And suppose I add this aldehyde in ethane, that is C2. Ethane is C2
H6.
H6, C2H6, right? So one hydrogen is removed and I add C2H5, it becomes C2H5CHO, and the name changes to propanol. Name is also changed from propane, from ethane, it becomes propanol because Al is the suffix, right? Now ketone. Ketone are C double bond O. It is having two open-ended chain for any of the alkane group. There may be on one side, on left-hand side of this ketone, that is C double bond O, there may be ethane, methane, propane, and on the other side also, on the right-hand side, I mean, it can also have methane, ethane, or propane. That means ketone is a special type of the functional group which is always attached in between the two carbon chains, right? For example, we talk of C3H8. Here you need to note down that ketone always starts from C3H8, that is propane, because it is having of double bond with oxygen. So obviously it will remove how many atoms of hydrogen from it? Propane. How many atoms of hydrogen will be removed? It will remove 2 hydrogen atoms because C double bond O is there, right? So it removes 2 hydrogen atoms, and thus this changes to propane changes to CH3COCH3. That is, the name changes now is propanone. So in the propane, one E have been removed and ONE of the ketone is added. Clear? So it becomes ketone, right? Carboxylic acid is the last group. Carboxylic acid has the bond COOH. Suppose again I take example of propane C3H8, 1 hydrogen is removed and it becomes C3H7COOH. So you can see in this trend all of these functional group representation. If one line is there, that means it will remove how many hydrogen atoms? 1 or 2? If one line is shown
One.
here, it is
One.
going to remove 1 hydrogen atom. Here also one. Here also one. And in ketone? In ketone?
Two.
It is going to remove 2 hydrogen atoms. And in carboxylic acid also 1 hydrogen atom. Is it clear? So this way,
Yes,
these functional groups, when attached to the group of hydrocarbons, they changes their functionality absolutely different. Thus, they are known as functional groups. So I hope you will be able to make the tables like this for each and every functional group. Can you do it now?